What's up, fam? In this video today, I'm going to be introducing you all to the Oro AI airdrop. Okay, so this project has currently raised about $6 million in a seed round. Okay, so what this means is that they have been able to provide an essential capital to develop their project. All right, plus they also have backing and support from major investors like the Near Protocol and etc. Okay, so I'll be showing you exactly how to participate in this project to actually be among the early bird guys. Okay. Plus, we're also going to be talking about the rewards and token details, and lastly, the backing and support. Okay, so make sure to stick with me all through this video, guys. Don't skip any part of it, so you actually get to know exactly how you can participate in this project right now as an early bird to actually claim some points for yourself, so you actually get ready for the TGE, guys. Okay, so with that being said, guys, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is NWeDone TV, and what to do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever NWeDone TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now on YouTube, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on my Google Docs page right now. So up here says introduction to Oro AI airdrop. All right, and down below here says the Oro AI airdrop is a program that rewards users for contributing their data to AI model training while ensuring complete privacy through advanced cryptographic technologies like the ZK-TLS and Trusted Execution Environment, which is the TES. Okay, so down here says how to participate. All right, so firstly, you need to sign up by visiting the Oro AI website and registering with your email or Google account. And don't forget to use a referral to earn initial points. All right. So when you are done signing up, the next step would be connecting your account. Okay. And it says link your account from platforms like X, Discord, Fitbit, Amazon, and Coinbase to earn daily points. All right. So the next step would be completing quests. All right. So finish tasks on the Guide Hub and Discord server to boost your points and climb the ranks. Okay, so lastly right here says refer friends, and it says invite friends to join and earn more points. Okay, so that is basically how you can participate right here on the Oro AI airdrop, guys. Okay, so down below here talks about the rewards and token details, and it says the Oro tokens will be rewarded to users who participate in the airdrop campaign. All right, and down here says token value, and it says that the token value is currently not available, but users can earn points that will be converted to Oro tokens in the future. Okay, so next is a distribution date, and it says that the distribution date for the Oro dollar token is not yet confirmed, but it's expected to happen after the public beta airdrop. All right, so we are currently on the public beta drop, guys, because currently free tokens are being given to early farmers. Okay, so make sure to actually hop on this right now before the distribution date commences. All right, so lastly right here talks about the backing and support, and it says that the Oro AI has received backing from major investors like the Near Protocol, the A16Z Crypto, and Delphi, with $6 million raised in a seed round. Okay, so these investors right here are actually big investors, guys. Okay, if you're actually a crypto enthusiast just like myself, you must have heard about these investors I just listed a while ago. Okay, so lastly right here says partnerships, and it says that the project aims to collaborate with users to build decentralized AI models. All right, so guys, theoretically, this is all you need to know about the Oro AI airdrop. All right, so now let's go see how it works, because I'm going to be showing you everything practically, so you start farming this airdrop right away to actually be among the early birds who are going to benefit from this project. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on the Oro AI airdrop website homepage right now. So as you can see right here, it says contribute to AI, get rewarded. All right, so I'm going to scroll down. So over here that says sign up, I'm going to hit on sign up, guys. And right here that actually says I should enter my email. I'm going to enter my email right now. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. All right, guys, so I just entered my email and password down below here. So I'm going to hit on continue, guys. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to save my password right now. So it's going to load up, guys. Let's give this some time. Here we are. So over here says welcome. What should we call you? And down below here says moltentundra.oro, tempestbluff.oro, and granitewood.oro. So I'm going to just select the Tempest Bluff. Okay, it doesn't mean, guys, you can select anyone you actually want to select, but for me, I just prefer this name right here called Tempest Bluff. All right, so I'm going to hit on continue down below here, guys. So let's see how this goes. Here we are. So as you can see right here, it says enter a referral code. Okay, so guys, before you can get a sign up bonus right here on the Oro AI airdrop, you first of all need to get a referral code, and of course you can get that from a friend. Okay, so that is the basic reason why I'm going to be leaving my referral code and as well the website sign up link of the Oro AI airdrop down below this video description, and as well it's going to be on my WhatsApp and Telegram community, guys. Okay, so all you simply do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to bring you over to this page for sign up. Okay, so now I actually have a referral code right here from a friend, so I'm going to hit on this place down here that says continue, guys. So let's see how this goes. Here we are, guys. So as you can see right here, it says get ready for landing. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says land. Okay, so let's see how this goes, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, guys, I currently have 125 points just for using a French referral code for sign up. Okay, so that is basically how you're also going to get 125 points when you use my referral code, guys. Okay, so make sure you use my code. So as you can see down here, it says 9 missions available. So the first one right here says connect to Gmail. The second right here says connect to X. The third right here says connect to Fitbit. The fourth right here says connect to Amazon. The fifth right here says connect to Coinbase. The sixth says connect to Discord. The seventh says connect to Aura. The eighth says connect to German. And the ninth says connect to Kuros. Okay, and you actually get 700 points for each and every connection you do right here, guys. All right, so how do you connect? So you can connect by simply linking the various accounts you have. Okay, so let's say you have Amazon, you simply connect your Amazon. If you have Coinbase, you simply connect your Coinbase to the Oro platform. You can also connect your Discord if you have. So the ones you don't have, you can just create an account for them to also connect, so you actually get enough points for yourself, guys. All right, so I'm going to start by connecting the ones I have available, which is the Gmail. At first I'm going to hit on Gmail right here, guys. Here we are, guys. So over here says connect to Gmail, and down below here shows you exactly how you can connect. Okay, it says click connect below to be routed to your account, then simply log in and accept connection terms in order to complete this mission. Okay, so down here says how is your data protected? All right, and it says all data is anonymized, encrypted, and processed inside secure compute environment, ensuring your personal information is never exposed. That means AI models learn from your data, but the data itself remains sealed. You stay in control of what you share, and your privacy stays protected at every step. Okay, so you don't need to be scared of doing all of this stuff. It's actually protected, as they said. So down here says you get 600 points for connecting, and you get 25 points per day. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says continue, guys. So let's see how this goes. So I'm going to hit on next right here, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on save. So it says I should actually enter my password right now. So I'm going to pause this video and just quickly enter my password, guys. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm done entering my password. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says next. So let's see how this goes, guys. I'm going to save. Okay, so I'm going to hit on continue, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says mission success, and I've actually earned about 600 points right now. Okay, so it says starting tomorrow, you will also earn 25 points per day for maintaining this connection. Your privacy is our top priority. We use strong encryption to keep your data safe. So I'm going to hit on done right here, guys. Here we are. So as you can see right here, I currently have 725 points right now. Okay, so the next right now will be connecting my X. So I'm going to hit on it right now. Here we are. So over here says connect to X, and there's also a notice down here that says to successfully connect your X account, make sure you are already logged into X in your browser. If you land on the X homepage after clicking connect, log in, then return here and try again. Okay, so I'm going to hit on continue down below here, guys. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to hit on open. I'm going to hit on X right here. Okay, guys, so I just connected my X account and it says mission success. Okay, I was also given 600 points. I'm going to hit on done down below here, guys. So let's go over to the next one. So over here it says connect to Fitbit. All right, so I'm going to pause this video and just quickly connect to Fitbit, and I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So as you can see right here, I just connected to Fitbit and it says mission success. Okay, I was actually given 700 points right here, and it says starting tomorrow you will also earn 30 points per day for maintaining this connection. All right, I'm going to hit on done, guys. Okay, so as you can see up here, I currently have 2025 points. All right, so that is basically how you can do this, guys. All right, so just make sure to create accounts on all those platforms and just simply connect your account to actually earn enough points for yourself, guys. And mind you, this point will be converted into Oro tokens that will be distributed to you during the TGE, which is the token generation event. Okay, so make sure to complete all the tasks right here to actually get qualified for this airdrop, guys. Okay, so down below here says the drop. I'm going to hit on it right now. So right here on the drop says something is coming, endpoints to increase your chances, and it is coming soon. So guys, make sure to actually endpoint right here to increase your chances of getting into the TGE which is a token generation event. So you actually earn tokens that can be converted into USDT to make some cool cash for yourself. Okay, so right here says history. I'm going to hit on it right now, guys. Okay, so this actually shows you all the places you have connected to. So I'm actually connected to my Fitbit, I've connected to X, I've connected to Gmail. And lastly, down here tells me that I redeemed the referral code that gave me 125 PTS. Okay, so make sure you actually use my referral code to also get your 125 PTS right away, guys. All right, so this is basically all you need to know about the Oro airdrop right now. So make sure you stay subscribed on this channel and also turn on the bell notification button to always get notified on new airdrops, guys. All right, so I'm going to be completing the rest tasks to actually earn more points right here on Oro. All right, so guys, this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today. So if you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now. Turn on the bell icon, guys, to always get updated on new videos like this. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.